Okay, guys. So this is the one file I am taking for this example. So in SQL, what are data types we have normally in generally? So var, and var, okay, integer, big integer, boolean, float, right? This type of available, right? This data types in SQL Server generally.
Yes, Nathan.
So I have integer, big int, float, real, double, and vertical, char, var, so and var, and what else we have? Money and date time. So these all are actually available in SQL Server. So the thing is, when you come to SSIS, sometimes it won't convert to same as SQL Server data types. But first we can see how we can match with the SQL Server data types with the SSIS data types. Then we will see some standard documentation from Microsoft. Okay. First, just go to Visual Studio. So I'm just going to create one package. So just click on a new, okay. So the new package created and just rename it data types demo. Okay. Dual. Okay. Once my package is ready, what I need to take? So just right click or just take a data flow task from here. Okay. Just click here. And what is my source here? Flat file, right? Since it's a CSV file, I want to take a connection as a flat file. Okay. And my destination also DB destination. So just see, create a new connection. Data types, or we can put some food chain. Start. Yeah, just browse it here. Go to all files or CSV file. This is my file. Okay. Okay. Just go to here columns and just check. So these 4 columns available in my CSV. Okay. Go to advanced. Here also we can see what is the data type for this one. Okay. It's actually DTSTR. Now we can see how can we compare with our SQL Server and where we need to convert and where we use this data types. Okay. So even though ID is normally ID will store as integer or big integer or something like that. Is that correct? Guys, I'm just asking you. So how ID normally store integer or big integer, right? Okay. So founder second string. So I want to Okay guys, so once this is done, just preview. The data is coming here, columns. Okay, yeah. Now I want to create. Let me create one more table so that we can see actual errors here. Okay. Yeah, I'm just taking a control and. Okay, use SSIS. What is the database available here? Okay, go. Okay, guys, I'm just going to create one table for this. Okay, 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 and I'm creating one more table for the restaurant. Just see, select start from. Yeah, I didn't see any data now. So now I want to load this data to this one. While loading, you see errors and warnings for data conversion. The same we will discuss now. Okay, clear, guys? So before that, okay, before that, just create a connection for this. So this is the not new. So just load that table from SSIS training. Yeah, what is my table? Restaurant, right? So leave it about that mappings we can see now. Okay, the connection is done. So just put a mappings. Okay, so take as a put chain company and pounded. Okay, now we can see. Just try to run the package. What happened is no, not this one. What is command package name? Yeah, data types. Okay, just try this one. See, we are seeing some error. So guys are able to see. So if you are not sure about what is the error, just go to progress. Okay, clearly showing Microsoft invalid character. Okay, and the value could not be converted because of. Just copy message text and notepad. See. So there was an error with OLED with destination input uh, column. OLED with destination inputs destination input. The column status written was the value could not convert because of potential loss of data. Okay, and we can see what is the other error. copy message text. So while reading errors is the most important thing while we created a packages or in real time, guys. Okay, so just check this one. See, in occur during specified object specified component, there may be error message posted before this was more information of the failure. Okay, when you see this error, what you can see first, you just check the data types. Okay, uh, okay, go to here. So right click here, show advanced editor. Yeah, guys, input, output, and properties. Okay, uh, you see this one, input columns, ID. See, still it's the input coming as a DTSTR format. It is nothing but what you call character, I mean varchar format. Okay, founder also DTSTR, company also DTSTR, and founder also DTSTR. But while we are seeing here, uh, founder is fine, but a date founded on. Hey guys, you see this? Yeah. If you see now, we can come to understand. So in my table, ID is a integer, fast food chain is a varchar, and the date found is a date, and found is a varchar. But here itself, ID is a coming as a DTSTR. Okay. For that, I need to convert as a integer. And again, the date founded company founders are founded. Okay. So founded is it's coming as a DTSTR, but I want to convert it as a date. So for that we use these data types, and now we can see how can we use that, how can we convert that. Okay, okay, yeah. Now tell me any idea how we can convert this one? Yes, yes or no? Okay,
Yes, Nathan.
okay. So do you know how you convert this one? So anyways, just leave it about that. Then we can see. So now we can take what do you call the data conversion. Okay, first we will take data conversion. Okay, delete. So for ID, it's coming as a data type as a DTSTR. Now I want to change that. Yeah, guys. Now I want to change it to DTI4. Okay, let me show you. Where is this DTI4? Okay, 4 byte signed integer. Okay, so now it's a converted to integer. Now we just map it again. So mappings. Okay, instead of ID. What the? Okay, I converted, right? 4 byte signed integer. Okay. Yep. Click on OK. Now we can just go to here mappings and we just change to copy it to this one. So, but I only change that string to integer, but still you will get errors. Why? Yes, please tell me. Still, why you are getting errors?
The template.
Because date, it's not a readable format from our source. Okay, it won't categorize this data as an integer or from that file. Okay, is that not right? Let me show you. Yeah, if you say here is my date format, like how it will like mmddyy format. Is it correct? Yes. How my date look like is mmddyy. And the SQL Server it will recognize. No, right? The SQL Server maybe recognize mm-ddyy or something like dd-mm-yy. But here my date format is mmddyy. So that's why we need to use some implicit conversion, and then we can see how we can do that. Before going to that, we will see what are the data types available in SSIS, how we can convert them. Okay. Uh, okay. I'm just stopping here. Okay. So now we can see how we can see those. Okay. So this is how we can convert data types from SQL, SSIS to SQL Server. If you see here, the exact match of in, SSIS with the SQL Server. So you're not considering MySQL, Oracle, or Postgre, but for time being, we are using only SQL Server. That's why you just use this one. Okay. So there is a data type in SQL, SIMS. If you are not unsure about those, okay, let me take one more. What do you call? I want to take one more conversion. Just see here. I'm just removing this. Let's see. Not here. 1 second. Take any derived columns. Okay. If you click here, okay. So these all are actually what you can how can you convert that date time functions or integers and strings and all. Okay. Here we can see these all are okay. If you see this one, guys are able to see here. Where is that? Yeah. If you see, if you can match here, DTI1 is here. See, the DTI1 is there, DTI2 is there. DTI1 is nothing but we cannot convert into our SQL Server, but DTI2 is there in small int is there in the SQL Server. DTI4 generally use as an integer. Okay, that's why I just created in table also. I created as a ID integer. Okay, so DDI4 nothing but integer. So it will be convertible from any data type to this one, like DT. The conversion also I can show you. Okay, first you can see how can we compare with our SQL Server data type with SSIS. Okay, The most important thing, this one, DTI4, DTI8, nothing but a big integer. DT numeric is like a decimal and a numeric in SQL Server. DTR4 is a real. Okay, R8 is a float. DTSTR is a character or var character. Like is in a SQL Server, we have a for character, it's like a fixed width, right? For character. So in varchar, we can put till max, or we can specify any particular size of that data type. Okay. Tiny unit, UIT, UI4, these all are not available. Again, now we come to DTWSTR. This is a nvarchar or any kind of data it will automatically convert, guys. Okay. So DT image anyways you are not using, but most of data types use DTWSTR and recalled DTSTR. So sometimes it will see truncation error while using a string character from any plot file or Excel file. That time we can simply convert that what do you call the data type DTSTR to DTWSTR. Then it will work fine. So you can see this one DT date DTDB time. It's the same as in our SQL Server date type. Okay, DD underscore time to is again time. Time from suppose if there is a date time format is if you want extract only time, then we can just take a DT underscore time to. Okay, timestamp again. It's a date time and small time. These all are actually available in SQL Server left side and sorry the second column we can see what are available in SQL Server and what is the exactly match in SSIS. Clear till here? Then we can see a expect how we can convert this. Clear, guys? So now we can see example and we can do some more. Okay, yeah, clear, guys. I will share with you this image as well. Okay, desktop. Okay, data type mapping. So if you want to see the more documents, and then you can go to Microsoft. You can see same thing here. Okay, okay. So I'm just pasting in chart as well. It's important just to bookmark it or somewhere, or maybe you can just paste it here in a chart as well. Okay. So if you want definitions of each and everything, that is also there in Microsoft SQL documentation. So I'm not going to deeper here because the basics we can see. We already discussed what is a boolean. This is all we discussed now. Okay. So conversion of data types. See the same thing I'm going to show you now in expressions. How can you can see? Yeah, this we can see later. So this is also important how we can convert this data type to this type, either it's valid or not. I mean, if it's a string to nvarchar or string to data is possible or not, and those charts they mentioned here in same link you can go and how can we convert everything is available. Okay, see the left side and right side is just a convert is a convertible or not. Okay, suppose if you want to convert the dt I1 to dt decimal, you just put this a dt numeric, something like that. Okay, yeah guys, that's it for this one. Just go to document and see. If you are unable to understand, please do let me know. Okay, for time being just leave it about this one. See, suppose if you are not sure about what is the format for that one by default, something like that it will say db date, dd file time, this one time. We already discussed it. Only time part if you want to see this one. Okay, even if you want to see that a milliseconds also it's possible. dt timestamp it's the same as a get date and all. Okay. See. Okay, guys. So just go to documentation and you just check it out. Okay, most of they give us only timestamps and all. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, we discussed this already. How we can match with the same data type or not. But to convert those data types, we have already data conversion in a SQL Server. I mean SSIS management. SSIS. You can see. Okay. You just forget about this. Go to documentation and you can see. Now we can see how we can convert that the pounded date to a readable format like a DDYY or something like that. Okay. Now we can go to our SSIS and we can see that one. Okay. This may be a small example, but we can understand. Okay. So even you can these all are we will discuss. This is a special topic. What are the functions available in SSIS? Okay. For timing, just leave it this one. Now we can see only this typecast. Okay. Typecast again. I already told you how can you convert a coming format to desired format, whatever you are looking. Okay. Yeah. Now you can tell me, guys. So what I need to take here? I want to convert the pounded date to a readable format. Okay. So now it's an actual string format. Okay. So first we need to take as a. So you guys are able to understand, or do you want me to repeat again? So I'm taking here as a derived column. Yeah.
We are able to understand.
Okay. So you're taking a derived column to convert existing column to some readable format. The date is not truncating, and you're seeing data conversion error. That's why I'm going to create one more column and with a readable format. Okay. Okay. Just give this mapping to here. This one. Okay. Give some what you can get founded. Right. Okay. What is exactly our column? Is founded. Okay. Now we can put here in expression. Okay, by default, what is coming? The database DTSTR. Okay, that is not correct actually. So we are going to convert that to a readable format. Okay, okay, guys. So now, how can I do that? First, I can write some example for that. Yeah, suppose if I want to convert that one to DB date, how can I take? Go to here. Here in typecast, okay. Is there a DB date is there? Just check it out. DB date. Huh. Take this one. Okay. Then what is my column here? Okay. Right. So, but still it's not converting. Okay. So let's see. I want to use some substrings because I want to some readable format. That's why I'm using some functions here. Please observe substring. I hope everyone knows about the substring, right? How it works in SQL. Same we are going to use here. Okay, string founded of okay. So want to take first two 1, 2. Okay, yes. I'm putting as a this one as a readable. So guys, I'm just going to saving as a this one format, right? mm-dd hyphen yy. That's why I'm just taking this what you call expression. Just observe this one. Okay. Again, put substring. Okay. Press my column name. Again, take bounded. Take this bounded. Okay. Yeah, guys, tell me again. I okay. Suppose I think you're able to not understand this one. Guys, actually, this is in this format. Okay. This is the month and this is the date and this is the year. Okay. Now I want to convert this one as a 01, 015 and 1914. Okay. So now we can tell me what is the readable format here. Suppose select a get date. How my date look like here? Some format like a year DD format. Is that correct or not? Otherwise, convert 8. See, something came. This is the actual format. Okay. Suppose if you want to read this format as well. See what you're getting here here. This is what I'm trying to explain you properly. Okay. So I want to convert this to directly convert to date. What I'm getting error here. The expect conversion from data type into to date is not allowed. Correct. So that's why I'm going to convert this is in source level. Source level in the sense my SSIS package level. Okay. Clear now? Why I'm showing this just because of we are getting this error. Okay. Go to sys packages here. Yeah. Now again I want to take right substring. How can you do the substring? Guys, I don't want to tell you SQL again. Suppose please understand how we can do that. Suppose
Part of the
yeah. Suppose if you take correct. If you have knowledge then it's okay. I'm just showing you something like what to if I put what happened? It's not augment of string function. Okay, maybe let me put this one. Okay, so, yeah, say 01k, something like that. Okay. Suppose if I put whatever I'm trying to do, the same I'm implementing in here. Okay, right? The first this is the position until the second is from position to till where we need to extract. Okay, see. Now we are able to understand, right? How we are extracting. The same thing we are going to implement it here as well. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now what is my position? 3 comma 2. Oh, sorry, 2. Okay. And I want to concatenate again. That's why I'm taking plus symbol. Okay. What is the plus symbol and what is my okay? Then the last part. Last part I need to take from 5th to 4, right? Correct. 4, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Did we miss anything? Still you're seeing errors?
4, right?
Yeah. Substring founded. Okay, one second. Why this error coming? Okay, substring. Let me evaluate. Now error gone. Okay, so maybe something is gone. Okay, let it be. It's gone. Now error came. Now error gone, right? So now maybe we can derived column. We can founded date. I think something we can put. If okay. So now click on OK. Error substring contains failed turn maybe out of memory. Or not found input column collection. Okay. Let's see. Just okay. 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 Click on OK. The expression DT among derived column is not valid. Fail to set property expression on derived column. It's correct only. Okay. Still error coming now. So something you're missing, guys. Let me see. String of okay plus correct only. Again substring of okay founded. Hmm. One second. Why is it coming? Column name is correct only, right? Okay. Let me double check why I'm getting error. Okay. Otherwise, let me evaluate in SQL. Copy this. Okay, maybe I'm using something different, I guess. Okay, still error. Why is not the count? Okay. Oh, second. Expression seems correct only, but valid. Okay, fine. Leave it this one. First, just map this one. Then we can see what is the error this one. Okay, founded. Now we can see. Yeah, okay, again we need to copy that one. Okay. Derived column as so derived column as founded, right? Again string dtstr. Okay. One second, column, go to wounded. This is not converting because still it's in this format. Okay, let me change that. One second, guys. So columns. Okay, DT date, DT underscore date. Okay, why database? Okay, now we can see columns. Now it's coming. Okay, so nothing, guys. So I just change that DB columns. Suppose if you are unsure about it, just right click here, show advanced data, input output properties. Okay, go to here, output columns, and go to found here, and just first change that to DTDB, and we can convert that one. Okay, now we can write our expression here. So that just take this founded here. Okay, add as a new column. Just create any new column. So this one is founded. Okay. Now we can write the expression. Perfect. Okay. Still error. Cannot paste that. I usually won't see that error. Okay. Otherwise, it just do its thing, and we can put only the column. And okay. Let me see why it's not mappings. We have ID. So pounded to pounded date. Okay. And okay. Before inserting here, you can just put one data UR, and you can see enable data UR. Just preview. Plot file also error. Is that error? Let me check. So founded returns a value to status. The value could not convert because of potential loss of data. So here also it's not changing. One sector put founded output columns ID company Hmm. Okay. Create column supply. So, and here is the issue. Hmm. Okay. Ignore failures. Okay. Let's see. What is the error here? Again, error. Column row found it. Let me say text. As well compound. There are B errors potential. Not sure by why this is error coming. So automatically should convert. Okay. Okay. Paste. String. Okay. Execute. Error attempt to fail. Input failed with the input columns which were not found on input column collection. Okay. So it's a case sensitive, right? So found. Sorry guys, it's my mistake. So actually SSI is a case sensitive. Let me see. And one more is there, right? Yes. Okay. This is actually case sensitive, that's why. So the column name is founded, right? Yes. That's why you're seeing error. Mhm. See, now error gone. Okay. So just click on OK. Go to mappings. Mappings again. Founded date to date found. Yeah. Hopefully it should work now. Let's see. Yeah. Now we're able to see. This is this progress is success. And just check here. What is my table name? Restaurant, right? See, date came or not? Date format. Guys. Yeah, that is my completely my mistake, guys, because this is a case sensitive. That's why it's not getting. Guys, now you're able to see date. Yes or no? Hello? Is there any? So this is my mistake actually. This is actually case sensitive. I put earlier as a F as a caps. That's why it's not give me proper values. You are getting errors. Now able to succeed. That's okay. I hope you guys understand this one. How you can convert date from string to this one. Okay, guys, clear? Yeah, guys, if you clear, then we can we can go to another topic from tomorrow onwards. Okay. I hope you understand. Still, if you're not able to, then please do let me know. So here maybe I already taken as one a derived table to change that to first format. Then I'm loading into this table. So here you can ask me one question again. Why you are putting is this one slash or something? So that is just for understanding purpose how it's coming as the data. Okay. So suppose if you're still you're getting errors, then you need to do one thing. Just delete this one and do the conversion error again. Okay. Yeah. Tell me where is the conversion errors there? Uh, Somewhere you can see the conversion, data conversion. Okay. Just click here. Derivate table to here. Okay. What are columns you want to change the date? It's because it's already automatically came as a DB. So here is a I want to change that yeah guys, I want to change the data type to ID. We already discussed, right? ID should be in integer format. That's why I'm going to change this to dt I4. Where is that I4? Yeah, this one. Now we can see bounded data is there. Just click on here and it will ask that mappings again. Just click here, go to mappings, copy of ID and copy of bounded date. Okay, just click on OK. Yeah, before this, I want to truncate the table. Okay, so how can we truncate the table? Just take that execute SQL task. Okay, uh, so set none. Just take as a connection as a SSIS training, and you just put that truncate. What is the table name? Truncate. Hey guys, what is the table name? Truncate table restaurants. Huh? What is my table name here? Restaurant, right? Truncate table restaurant. Okay, just click on OK. That's it. Click on OK. Just map to this one. That's it. Now we just execute that. See the progress. The CSV ended. Trunk is done and it's loaded. Okay, now we go to here and check that. See, data is loaded or not. Yeah, like this we can convert and um, we can map it by using this data conversion. I hope you understand, guys. If you are not able to understand, please do let me know so that I can try to explain one matter. Clear, na?